Shenzhen GURKI Packaging Machine Company Limited is a leading manufacturer of automated packaging machines since 2005, located in Shenzhen, China. GURKI engineers and manufactures affordable industrial packaging equipment customized to fit a variety of industries. We design and manufacture shrink wrapping machine, case erectors, case sealers, e-commerce packaging machine, tray erector, specially for your packaging system application at our 80,000 square meters associated factory. GURKI is an innovative and customized expert not only in China but also internationally. He's committed to providing high quality and trustworthy machines to customers in 80 countries around the world for 21 years. All our products have passed the CE certification of the European Union. In 2010, we signed a brand agency agreement with a number of U.S. companies. GURKI has 2 million customers worldwide in South Korea and Vietnam, India, the United Kingdom, and other regions set up dealers. GURKI's professional after-sales team and support staff are always happy to answer any questions you may have about our packaging solutions. Our packaging system electrical and mechanical engineers, as well as regional sales managers and customer service representatives, work closely with you. Our engineers can serve overseas machines and seamlessly transition from sales to packaging system design and maintenance. Contact us today and tell us what you need. If we don't have the solution for you, we will make it for you because we're the total packing machine solution.